the level of toxicity, this area here, how toxic it is. In this video, we're going to show you how, as iridologists and advanced nutritionists, how we use those concepts to find out the level of toxicity in your bowels, which is causing the psoriasis that you're suffering from. Now, in the UK, research has shown, 2022, research has shown out of 68 million UK residents, 1.1 million suffer from quite severe psoriasis. The most common one is what they call the plaque psoriasis, and over 45 years of solid experience, we've proven again and again that the normal usual medical treatment, which is topical drugs and phototherapy, does not give you long-term relief. It might give you short-term, but not long-term. Our system has been proven over 45 years. We've got 100% results. I'm going to show you examples of how we picked it up. First of all, we have a chart called the Iridology chart, and in the center part here, that's the right eye. Okay, right eye. In the right eye, you see the ascending column and the transverse column on the right side of the body. On the left eye, you see the continuation of the transverse column, then the descending column, the sigmoid column, and out. So using this chart, we can tell this area here how toxic it is. Alright, so we're going to show you an example of a live photograph of the right eye. This is the right eye, we can tell because of this, the shape. The pointed part, that's the right. If this was like that, it would be the left eye, but this is the right eye, okay? So when you look at that, as I indicated before in the previous chart, the center part around that pupil, right, you'll see it's very dark like that compared to the rest of the color. That's a lighter color, which means that is healing. But this color, now, in this case, the right eye, you are seeing the appendix, the ascending column, the transverse column, and the small intestines, the right side. The moment we see that color, we can tell the level of toxicity. Now, I'm going to show you what. For example, let's say let's say you weigh 90 kilos. This is representing 45 kilos of your right side. So when you look at that, that's about 10 kilos. 10 kilos of waste sitting in your colon and the intestine on the right side of your body. Brilliant. Now, the moment we see that, we know what to do. We have a unique system of detoxification, which we've developed it over the last 45 years. It works. We've had 100% results. So what I advise you to do is subscribe to our channel, and also go to planetwellness.co.uk, and we've also got YouTube channel video. And but by all means, after you've done all that, contact us, make a time, make an appointment, and let's get you the results you deserve.